great reliable system for Roleplay. So this has not happened for the last, I would say, 6 or 7 months. We just checked their page and there's partial outages, so they should have been resolved soon. However, because it's me, we've got certain set of special privileges. I can make an inbound call into a different part of the system to show you what the bot would sound like, for instance, as a school. Would you like me to do that for you guys?
Yes, I do.
Yeah? Okay, cool. So hopefully this works. If not, it's Max's fault.
Hi there, this is Vish, an AI sales representative from the Internet Business School. May I know your name, please?
Yes, my name is Frank.
Hi Frank, lovely to meet you. Are you interested in participating in a roleplay demonstration today?
Yeah, if you just hold the call, I'm going to let you know when to start the call in a second. Just give me a moment. Cool. So what we're doing is we're just using AI to demonstrate a sales call of how it would make a sales call based on the front end. So it's now going to take us through a quick demonstration. Do you guys want to see the demonstration?
Yeah,
If possible. Okay, perfect. Cheers, Rich. Do you want to start that part of the call from where I left off, please?
Absolutely, Frank. To get started with the demonstration, could you tell me the name of your business?
Yeah, it's Frank's sandwich shop.
Thanks, Frank. Could you describe your sandwich shop in a few sentences? For example, what makes it unique or special?
Yeah, so we do large sandwiches. We call them manwiches because they're made with big pieces of bread, big chunks of butter and cheese, and loads of big fillings. And that's our USP.
Got it, Frank. Your manwiches sound amazing, big, bold, and packed with flavour. What would you say is your best-selling sandwich?
It will be yeah, I'll take my time. It'll be the foot-long manwich.
Got it, Frank. The foot-long manwich sounds like a real crowd leader. Just to confirm, I'll be acting as a sales representative for Frank's Sandwich Shop, focusing on your foot-long manwich. Ready to start?
Yeah, can we not call it a foot-long manwich though? Can we think of something a bit more appropriately titled?
Of course, Frank. What would you prefer to call it?
Just call it the rather large manwich.
Got it. The rather large manwich it is. Let's kick off the roleplay now. Hi there. Welcome to Frank's Sandwich Shop. My name is Vish and I'm here to help you. Have you heard about our rather large manwich?
Yes, yes I have. I definitely have.
That's fantastic. The rather large manwich is one of our most popular items. Just to make sure it's the perfect fit for you, can I ask, are you looking for something hearty to keep you full for the day? Or is this more of a treat for a special occasion?
It's more of a treat for a special occasion.
A special occasion treat, perfect choice. The rather large manwich is packed with premium ingredients and bold flavours, making it ideal for celebrating. Out of curiosity, do you prefer classic fillings like ham and cheese, or are you more into adventurous options like spicy chicken or BBQ pulled pork?
We just keep it traditional.
Traditional it is, classic ham and cheese, a timeless favourite. One last question. Would you like to pair your rather large manwich with any side, like our crispy fries or a refreshing drink, to complete the experience?
Yes, that'd be perfect.
Perfect choice. A classic rather large manwich with crispy fries and a refreshing drink. It doesn't get better than that. Let me get that sorted for you. Would you like to place an order now, or shall I reserve this combo for your special occasion?
Yeah, let's place that one now, please.
Fantastic. Your order for the rather large manwich, crispy fries, and a refreshing drink is all set. Thank you for choosing Frank's Sandwich Shop. Your special treat is on its way. That wraps up the role play, Frank. How did that demonstration feel to you? Any feedback?
It was great. You really kind of embodied the knowledge of the rather large manwich.